Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI started as a research project to expand AI's image creation abilities. Now for that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Or else you can directly go to the application, install it in your phone device and use it. But for this video, I'm going to guide you through PC. Now at the search bar, you can simply search leonardo.ai. You will be directly led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option get started. Click over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the downside you can see the option sign up. Click over there. Now you can see various ways to sign up using your Apple ID, your Google or your Microsoft account. For this video we will go for email and password. Firstly, enter your email. Likewise, create yourself a very strong password. After that, simply click on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Make sure to check it and enter it over here. After that, you can click on confirm account. And now you can see that your Leonardo AI account has been created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.